From the main menu, select Customers, Transactions, Customer Quotes. Select the quote to be converted and click on the Actions drop-down. From the menu, click on Create Invoice. On the information screen, click on the OK button. This is to confirm the status of the document will change. Confirm the quantity and process the document by clicking on the Print Delivery Note button. Select Print Invoice and Delivery Note or Email Invoice and Delivery Note. If a delivery note is not required, click on the Email button to process the document. Once processed, the document status will change to unpaid until the payment is received and allocated to this transaction.